Hello, my friend. Alicia Lynn Diaz here, transformational healer and creator of the Enlightened Body System. Did you know that you have, in fact, 3 nervous systems? Yes, you have 3 different nervous systems. I'm going to go through these quickly, and then I'm going to give you a practice to optimize all 3 nervous systems in one fell swoop. So, as you know, your nervous system is the part of you that creates the stress response or that creates a relaxation response in your body, and your body cannot heal and you cannot optimize your health if you have a constant stream of stress hormones running through your bloodstream. So in optimizing your nervous systems, you optimize your energy, your health, your vitality, your sense of aliveness, your mental clarity, your purpose, all of these things. So your first nervous system is essentially your voluntary nervous system. This is the nervous system that you have conscious control over. It is the nervous system that I'm using right now to flap my lips and to move my hands around as I'm talking to you. Your second nervous system is your involuntary nervous system. This is the nervous system that you don't have to think about, but that is involuntarily controlling your heart to be pumping, your breath to be breathing, whether or not you are sleeping or awake. It is the part of it is your autonomic nervous system, the part of you that is automatic. And this nervous system is broken into your sympathetic and your parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for you going into fight or flight and pumping out stress chemicals into your blood. And the parasympathetic nervous system is the part of you that gives you the rest and relaxation response. Now, your third nervous system is the one that is little known, and this is the nervous system that has been known for thousands of years in the system of Ayurveda as well as Chinese medicine. And this is your energetic nervous system. This is the channel of subtle energy pathways that in Chinese medicine are called meridians. It's what you get worked on when you go to an acupuncturist and they put needles in your body. You're accessing these subtle meridian channels. In Ayurveda and yoga science, these are called nadis. But whatever you label them as, they are the subtle energetic channels that are the quickest responding to that respond to the quickest to healing and shifts in your mind and shifts in your thoughts and shifts in impacting the other 2 nervous systems to create a sense of healing and calmness and to help you restore your energy. And healing is a really great opportunity. So when the energetic nervous system becomes constricted, I want you to imagine like it's a garden hose, and when the hose is open, water's flowing through, great, your lawn is getting watered. But when that hose gets a kink in it or it becomes constricted, it blocks the water, and then your garden or your lawn is going to suffer. It's going to die if you don't pay attention to getting the kink out of the hose. It's going to dry up under the hot sun and burn the grass. So this dilation and constriction of the subtle energy channels is the easiest and fastest way to connect with the other aspects of your physiology and your nervous systems to create greater health and vitality and energy and all the things that we talked about. So you want to be able to dilate the energy channels. Whenever there's constriction or stuckness in one of the channels in your body, that's where you get a kink in your neck or pain. Emotions can clog those channels. Thought patterns and belief systems can clog those channels, and so many different things. But I'm going to share with you just one thing you can do right now to help dilate and open those channels and create more calm and peace in all 3 nervous systems. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is put one hand on your chest and one hand on your lower belly. And just take some normal breaths. And as you breathe, notice which hand moves more. Just notice. Now, many people who have constrictions in their energetic nervous system somewhere might be breathing more in their chest versus their belly. Or go ahead and take a deep breath in and notice which hand moves. If your chest hand moves more when you take a deep breath in, odds are you're a reverse breather. And a reverse breather breathes up into their chest instead of down into their lower belly. The proper breathing, or the opposite of the reverse breathing, would be the normal breath. You would want the breath to come into the lower lobes of the lungs, into your belly first, then the rib cage, then the upper chest, and then empty out from the upper chest down the rib cage to the belly. So it's kind of like, imagine a pitcher of water gets filled from bottom to top, and then it gets emptied from top to bottom. So just take one long, slow, deep breath, filling from bottom to top, kind of expanding out in the abdomen region, then up through the rib cage, then up through the chest. And then exhale from the chest, rib cage, belly. Inhale, belly, rib cage, chest, and expand from front and back and side to side as best you can. And then exhale from top, middle, bottom. Do one more, inhaling from bottom, middle, top, feeling full all the way, relaxing the belly, even puffing your belly out like a big Buddha belly. And then exhaling from top, middle, bottom. So this starts to dilate the channels and bring a sense of calm and peace to all three nervous systems, optimizing your health, energy, vitality. I hope this was helpful for you today. If you want a deeper guide on how to remove some of these energetic constrictions and blocks that block your nervous system, simply go to alicialyndiaz.com. It's my website, and then click on the button in the middle of the page that says Start Here, and I'll walk you through a guide of how to release those blocks. So sending you lots of love today, and I will see you on the next video.